The first section we're going to see is the dashboard. The dashboard is the entry point of CloudFunnels that you go to after you sign in, and it has a lot of information about your business, about your sales. So right now I've got a test setup of CloudFunnels for the demo, and I've got some records in there. For example, the 30-day sale, there is some information about it. There were 2 sales 2 days ago. There were the converted visitors, how many people viewed the page and what were the conversions, how many mails were sent, how many people signed up to your membership, and the funnels that you've created, the latest sales that you have, the latest email sequences that you've created. All of this is a part of the dashboard. And you can also find some nifty shortcuts like create funnel, create a new product, create a new list, send a mail out, see your sales, and see the users who have access to CloudFunnels. And one by one, we will clarify each one of them. The first thing I want to show you is actually the plugin system. Even before I show you how cool the funnel builder is, I want to show you something 100% unique to CloudFunnels that nobody even has started building, and it is our plugin system. So we decided to build CloudFunnels in a way that it can be extended forever. So you can add new things, we can keep adding new features to it, and you will get the delivery seamless, and you will be able to choose and pick exactly what you want to use on your funnel builder and make it perfect for your business. So here's how we've done that. We have built tons of plugin for CloudFunnels that you can install from right inside of CloudFunnels and extend your funnel builder to be exactly what you want. To access these plugins, you need to go to marketplace.cloudfunnels.in, and if you browse it, you can see that we've got dozens and dozens of plugin for every single thing, from payment to sales to connection to your autoresponder. Everything is out there. And we have done it with a mission to save you money, at the same time help you grow your business faster. For example, if you look at the top plugins that we have, you will find things like spin rewards. So if you've got an e-com site, if you're selling something online, you can have those cool spinner widgets which people can spin, and you can give away something that really boosts the opt-in rate and gets you more signups. We've also got conversion proof. So if you've been to many sales pages recently, you might have seen those pop-ups that pop up and tell you John Smith bought product hash from Australia 10 minutes ago or something like that. That's conversion proof, and it really boosts the conversion. And if you typically use any external plugin in the market, you would be paying something like $79 a month. But the good news is this is absolutely free inside of CloudFunnels. With your copy of CloudFunnels in our plugin directory, we've created this plugin for you, and you can have it absolutely free. Then we've got an excellent survey plugin. So if you've been thinking about using SurveyMonkey, or you're paying for SurveyMonkey, you know that you have to pay for any kind of survey plugin a lot. But again, it's inside of CloudFunnels. You don't have to pay for it. Then we've got the best exit pop system out there, and it's also built right inside of CloudFunnels in a plugin, and you don't have to pay for it. Typically, if you were paying for Opt-in Monster, you would be paying minimum of $29 per month, but you don't have to do that with CloudFunnels because it's inside. We also have a great SEO plugin. No need to buy Yoast or any third-party software SEO system. We have the best SEO plugin inside of CloudFunnels, and that's just a few of them. We have review system. We have a bunch of other plugins for other needs, and you will find that this kind of offering, this kind of facility, these features, they are something that no other funnel builder has at any price point. So once you set up a funnel, they will charge you just for the funnel system, and you will have to pay an add-on cost for a lot of different plugins. But with CloudFunnels, you don't have to do that. So let's go back to the dashboard. The second thing I'm going to show you now is the funnel builder itself. Let's see how easy it is to use. To get started with making funnels, just click on funnel content, and you will see a drop down with options like funnels insights, your members, media, all the files that you've uploaded, and some analytics. So let's build a new funnel by clicking on funnels insights. You can see that I've got some funnels here already, and there is some data in there, like my webinar funnel has 2 pages, my membership site has 4 pages, there have been 3 visitors, there have been 2 conversions, and the number of bounces. So basically on the funnel page, CloudFunnels gives you some important information right away, like how many people have visited in all, how many of them converted. So you can have some business information, business data right away. Plus, you've got some options like edit a funnel. You can see the opt-ins, the leads that have signed up from the funnel. And if you want to delete it, you can do that. And you can also share funnels to other people. So if you are a funnel coach or you're selling funnels to other people, you can easily share your funnel, and other people who are using CloudFunnels will be able to import it. But then again, let's start creating a new funnel and let's see how that works. So it's very easy. Click on create new, and on the next screen, give your funnel a name. I'll call it funnel 03, and select the funnel type. Your options are webinar, membership, sales funnel, and custom funnel. So depending on the funnel template you pick, the funnel type you pick, you will get a predefined list of pages that you can modify. I'm going to go with the sales funnel for now. And then you have the funnel URL. And this is something very interesting because you can change the URL to whatever you want. And CloudFunnels lets you create multiple funnels on the same domain. This is again something that nobody else lets you do. You can have 3, 4, 5, or even 10 funnels on one domain. So you can drive all the traffic to a single domain. No need to build multiple domains for multiple funnels. It can be done on one. So this one will be installed on a folder called funnel 03. Click on create. That's it. The funnel is created, and I get a list of the pages that are on the funnel, and I can modify them very easily. Let me show you how. So I've got an opt-in page, a sales page, an order form, a confirmation page, which is also called the thank you page, and a cancellation. So if somebody hasn't paid, they will go to the cancellation page. You can still capture the lead somehow. Anyway, let's go to the opt-in page and click on choose template. CloudFunnels comes with dozens of ready-made templates that you can modify and make yours very easily. So for example, I can just go with the first one I have, click on download, and it will automatically be downloaded and implemented. Once it's downloaded, you will see the preview. And to make it yours, all you need to do is click on edit page, and the funnel builder will load up. This is a powerful what you see, what you get WYSIWYG editor system that has the best features in the market. So on the left side, you will see that we've got multiple setups. We've got blocks of predefined content. You can have your own custom blocks, or you can use some of the blocks from our collection. We've got components, and in the components, you will find all sorts of widgets that you can place, like containers, grids, buttons, headings, list groups, badges, progress bars, form inputs like input box, text area, selection buttons. We've got widgets like Google Maps, video buttons, charts. Everything can be placed right on any sales page. You can modify anything you want by just pointing and clicking. For example, let me change a few things about this one. So let me delete the second word and put in some data here. Please opt in ebook. And I can put in any content over here that I want. Again, I can modify it. And here you've got the opt-in form. You can change this image if you want. So you can choose an image from your hard disk, or you can put in a URL. You can also decide important stuff like width and height. You can put in an alt text if you want for SEO. Basically, this is actually a live property box that lets you modify everything you want about what is on the screen. So it changes according to the element that you've selected. If it's an image, you will see options that are related to image. If it's text, you will see options that are related to text. If it's a button, you will see options that are related to a button, and you can quickly change everything. If you know some CSS, you can modify even the CSS, and you can change alignment, margin, padding, everything you want through this easy to use control panel. It makes things very simple. Again, this is a what you see, what you get editor system. You don't need to know any coding, and you can either create your pages from scratch, or you can even modify the plugins we have. All of that is possible. But there is one more thing that is truly mind-blowing, and I want to save this and show you what it is. We'll see in just a moment. So the funnel saved, and on my page now I see that the preview has changed too. Let's go to sales page now and do something really radical. What if you've got your pages on other funnel builders? You've got a website that you want to make your pages based on, that you want to use as a template maybe, or you want to port your funnels from existing setup to CloudFunnels. How are you going to do that? It's very easy. Let's click on choose template again. And this time, instead of choosing a template, let's clone a URL. So basically what you can do is You can put in any URL from the web and clone it. For example, I've just picked up this random website, and let's say I want to clone this page. I've just taken the URL and I'll paste it here and click on clone the URL. That's it. CloudFunnels is going to automatically go to that site, pull that page, and populate your page all by itself in just a few seconds. And when that page is downloaded, you can open it up right in the WYSIWYG editor of CloudFunnels and modify anything you want. For example, I want to modify this headline, click it to my doggy shop. You can change this image to something that is from your computer. So I'm just gonna pick up something. I've replaced it with my own logo. You can change anything you want about it. Let's change this image too. Modifying any aspect of any component on this page is very easy. I can go to the advanced sections, I can modify whatever I want and have my page looking exactly the way I want without having to hire any designer, without spending any money on the design. So whether it's your own designs or whether you have permission for a template that you want to take, it's all modifiable very easily inside of CloudFunnels using the clone URL system. Save it back and you will have your new template in no time. That's not all. If you've got a template in a file or if you've hired a designer and you've got a template, you can import a template from a file, just put in a zip file and CloudFunnels will automatically extract the template files from the zip and create your page based on that template. So that's how easy it is to create your funnels and sites, and no matter what level of complexity you're at, whether you are starting yourself and you want to do all the work yourself without hiring a designer, you can use CloudFunnels either with its own templates or by taking any template that you like from the internet or hiring a designer, importing the template. Everything is possible inside of CloudFunnels. The next thing I want to show you is the email marketing setup of CloudFunnels. And this is something really revolutionary, guys, because no other competitor in the market, no other funnel builder in the market gives you email marketing out of the box. We do it inside of CloudFunnels. So if you go to email marketing in CloudFunnels, you will find that we've got a complete autoresponder system built right inside. You can create lists. So I've got a number of lists, and you can see that in my test list, I've got some addresses. I can download the records as CSV, or if I want, I can edit the list. I can edit the attributes. I can view my signups. I can do that very, very easily, just as you would do inside an autoresponder, but without paying for it, of course. You can send out mailers. So if you click on compose mails, you can send out mail campaigns. You can select which SMTP you want to use. You can select which list you want to send the mail to. If you want to send the mail to any specific addresses which are not a part of the list, you can do it here. You can select an email subject, type in email subject here, like my test email, and type in your email. Hi, how are you doing? Or whatever you want to write. You can write it here. You can even put in images. You can put in links. You can modify the typography of the text. You can make something bold or italic. All of that is possible, and your customers will receive your emails. That's not all. We've also got mail sequences. So if you want to trigger off a mail sequence when a member signs up to a list or opts in, you can do that. You can create a mail sequence and populate it with multiple mails, and you can send your mail sequence based on different triggers, like right after the sign up, after the first day, after 5 days. You can select exactly when the mail is sent. You can also decide whether you want to send the email when the member is added to a specific list, to multiple lists, or even all lists. All of that is possible. Plus, you can also see your mailing history. So you can see exactly who received your mail, how did they respond to it, what was the open rate, what were the conversion and the click rate. All of that is information that you can see right inside of CloudFunnels. CloudFunnels integrate with all the popular SMTP systems. So you can integrate SendGrid, you can integrate Amazon SES or any other system that you have to send out your mailers. It's very, very easy. Just click on create new and you can put in the information about your SMTP in this box, and that's all you need to do. The next section I want to show you is the user manager. So if you've got a team, if you've got people working for you, if you got a VA, then CloudFunnels is the funnel builder you want, because it's the only funnel builder that lets you set user permissions. So you can create a new user and you can decide exactly what permissions you have, put in the username, put in the email address, put in the details like a password. You can have it set by yourself, and then you can decide what they can see. So if you want to give them access only to the dashboard, that's possible. If you want to give them access only to the payment system, that's possible. If you want to give them access only to the SMTPs or the mailing history, or you want to just allow them to send the email, but not be able to download your list. That's possible. So you can decide exactly what people have access to and what they can do with your funnel builder, with your funnel, your websites, and limit them to their role in the organization. This is something that protects you from damages and makes sure that your account is always safe, and it's very easy with CloudFunnels. Next, we are also 100% GDPR compliant. CloudFunnels lets you have cookie consent right out of the box, plus also manage data requests. You can process data requests and give access to the users who request for the data or delete their data inside of CloudFunnels without any hassle. So this is a 100% compliant funnel builder that lets you manage users' data very easily. Next, we've got the payment system and the autoresponder, and that's where we go back to the plugins, the marketplace. Inside of CloudFunnels Marketplace, we have built compatibility with the biggest collection of autoresponders and payment systems in the market. So I'm going to just open these sections for you and let's see. So we've got plugins for all the prominent payment systems of the world and even local countries. So you've got names like PayPal, Stripe, Barrier Plus, Checkout, To Checkout, Authorize.net. Plus, you've got all the local prominent payment systems for many countries like PesaPal, Instamojo, Razorpay, PayUmoney, Pay.com. You've got all the basic popular cards like PayKickstart, JVZoo. You've got ClickBank. You've got TayoPay, PayFast. So basically, we give you more payment options than any other system in the market, any other funnel builder in the market. And this list is growing very fast. You see, most of these payment systems we built because our customers asked us to. So people who needed a particular payment system, they came to us, they told us that we would love it if CloudFunnels had this, and we built it for all our customers. So this is what we are going to continue doing, and you will see more and more payment systems from us to you so that you can sell any product you want exactly the way you want without worrying about how you're going to process the payment. Next, we also have the connections or compatibility or plugins for the biggest number of autoresponders and CRMs. You will see that we cover basically all the prominent CRMs in the market and all the prominent autoresponders. So you can put your data into that autoresponder and bring your data from that autoresponder very, very easily with CloudFunnels. So overall, CloudFunnels is the best funnel builder out there in the market every way. There is nothing that even comes close to CloudFunnels. It's just miles and miles ahead of the competition. And that's not all. You've got many interesting features that are, again, something very, very innovative, like one-click installation. With CloudFunnels, you don't need to do any complicated setup, not even DNS. You can come into CloudFunnels admin without even a domain, and right from booking the domain to installing CloudFunnels on it, we will do everything with just 100% automation. All you need to do is put in a domain name and CloudFunnels will prepare it, book it, install CloudFunnels on it, and get it ready for you in no time. Then you can also install CloudFunnels on multiple domains. You can have multiple funnels running. You can have variations of the funnel running. It's very, very easy. You can even recruit clients. You can sell funnel building as a service if you're an agency and recruit clients. Also, it secures you, it protects you from funnel hacking. Now, if you're using a funnel builder that is hosted on a particular domain, for example, let's say it's #funnels.com, and you've got to point the DNS to that particular domain, people can just do a reverse DNS lookup, and trust me, the marketers know how to do that and find you from that website, and they will know exactly what you're selling, what your angles are, and very easily duplicate your business. It's very easy to hack funnels on these funnel builders, but with CloudFunnels distributed architecture, where every funnel is on its own place, this is not possible. Also, CloudFunnels puts you in individual hosting of your own. You have your own individualized, compartmented setup with your dedicated memory, dedicated bandwidth, and that means it's 100% fast and secure. Your funnels are not going to go down because a certain cloud system was hacked or attacked and everything went down because there was a service disruption in one place. Your funnels will be up, secure, running, and faster than any other funnel builder with CloudFunnels. So don't wait any longer. CloudFunnels is on a special sale. You can grab it for a great price right now. Go to the website, get your CloudFunnels right now.